Today we're checking out a 1967 Pontiac GTO.
My favorite year, Dalton, 1967. You just can't beat them. I love the styling. And how about this color? This is a factory M code poly metallic color.
Plum
poly metallic, plum metallic poly, something like that.
It's on the website, but original color on this car. Beautiful. A lot of, like you said, a lot of metallic, really
Even
straight
the door
body.
jambs. I mean, the paint job's probably 10 years old. It shines perfectly, and it's got a great look, but it's what I classify as a local car show quality, beautiful driver. It has some paint imperfections we're going to point out, but I'll tell you what, it's got a laser straight body, Dalton, beautiful shine. You took pictures of the undercarriage. I think the undercarriage is rock solid.
Yep.
Go ahead before we open the hood here. Let's check out the chrome and brightwork on the front. The grill, the bumpers, the way the hood fits to the front fenders.
Yeah, everything lines up really well on this whole thing too.
Yeah, it's a great car. Bottom side of the hood's all painted body color. We got the chrome air cleaner, the chrome valve covers. It does have an Eldebrock 4-barrel carburetor, which is obviously not original. It's got a brand new Napa battery, new hold down on it. It's got manual brakes on it. We'll find out how they stop when we drive it. But it is a factory YS code engine, which is your automatic GTO engine. So not quite sure what year it is, but it is a correct YS code GTO engine.
Does have the his and hers shifter as well, which is a lot of fun.
There's your MM code, which is going to tell us it did not have a vinyl top. It was a painted roof. I really love this color. It's my favorite color in a Chevelle or a GTO in these years. Impala had one very similar. They had an Evening Orchid, which is a little lighter in 65. But look at the body and the paint quality. Both sides are laser straight. The doors fit good on the back side of it. We got just a little bit of dust on it already from having it sitting out here for, what, an hour? Now we're going to point out about 5 or 6 different paint imperfections. We're not taking this to a perfect trailer queen condition, so it's going to have some here. There's a paint issue right here, about like my circle that I just put there. Top of the roof is beautiful. The rear sail area here is in great shape. Again, as we look on the up and down the side, that chrome is tough to put on the bottom, Dalton. And the back bumper is beautiful. The front bumper is excellent. All the chrome on the back is nice. And all that chrome on the bottom is in great shape too. Love the wheels. Tires have a ton of tread on them. Over the wheel lip is great. Again, the back of this door fits beautifully. Nice gap here from top to bottom. Window felt, rubber's nice. Corner of the door is awesome here. Never had any body filler in that corner. Here's another thing you can tell. When it was repainted the original color, all the doors were off. Look at the quality of paint in the door jambs itself. Your inside corner of the door. All the door jamb paint there. Now, your roof rail rubber up here is original. They've never changed that. I'm not sure why, but it's probably only had about 1 repaint then. That should be replaced. The door panel is awesome. Armrest pad base is all great. Seats could be original or they were replaced years ago. There's just a little bit of wear here on that cord. Other than that, the seat's in great shape. Back seat's nice. Door panels are great. Headliner's nice. Dome light works. And the headliner also is tight. Oh, it does have 1 hole in the headliner over here. Other than that, it's excellent. Back sails are good. Dash pad is excellent. The wood grain is nice. Paint on the dash looks to be original. And as you mentioned, Alt, his or her shifter.
And the overall condition, like shine, finish, and straightness of the paint is awesome.
Yeah, it really is. Could use some new exhaust tips, maybe. That's it. And the roof rail rubbers, that's really the only thing I'm seeing that it could use. The quarters are laser straight. It's got a little tiny bubble right here.
I'd almost call it like kind of like a rise.
That's a lead line is all.
Yeah.
That's all it is. It does have a couple little paint imperfections right here too. Nothing major, but I mean, if you want to pick some things apart, you can. And these spots we're pointing out. There's also one of those big blemishes right here. It's painted. It's just like a rise, like something underneath didn't, after the years, just didn't adhere to it. Front gap of the door is great. One tiny little bubble right there. I mean, they're all in weird places. It ain't like rust all. You know what I mean?
Correct, yeah.
Bottom corner of the door is perfect here. Same thing on the inside, fits great. Door jamb paint is beautiful. Door panels are awesome. Again, the door jamb paint there is nice. Hey, you want to grab the trunk real quick? There's a 242 telling you that it's a factory GTO. 1966 was the first year of that. 64s and 5s, you had to have a PHS document. Look at the paint in here too. It's got the factory stickers. They taped them off, repainted the trunk lid.
Looks like original quarter on this side.
Yeah.
I think the other side too.
Yeah, they both are the original quarters, haven't been changed out on the top here. Trunk is beautiful. Very, very nice. Got the spare and everything. Just even the paint around here. Did a great job. Really impressed by it. Gaps around the trunk lid is nice. Just got those few little paint imperfections we pointed out. Seat here, right along the cord, is worn just a little bit. Other than that, it has one little seam split right here. You can barely see. 84,000 miles, Dalton. The way things fit very well could be the original miles, 84,226. Yeah, runs great, doesn't it?
Fires right up.
Factory tack works, gas gauge works, horn, wipers. Defrost works great. Original radio does not. Temperature gauge, they added on an older one down here. We've had it running for a while. It's 30 pounds of oil pressure at an idle. And the temperature is already 170. As far as oil pressure, you rev it up to 2,000 RPM, you're at 60 pounds. So,
Great oil pressure.
yeah, great car, huh? Hey,
There you go.
there we go. It's probably not much of a radio, but
Old school. Craig.
is it on AM too?
Yep, it's on AM. There you go.
It works.
Yeah, sounds good too.
Got your factory single speaker, but you know what?
Does the trick.
Yeah, it does. Man, I love a GTO, huh? And then the Hurst shifter is just really fun. It's the first time I drove this one.
Yeah, I'm excited to see what it can do.
Have you drove it? Windshield's nice and clear. Original rearview mirror. Typical GTO. Every one of them. Yeah, about every one. Here's your brakes. Now the drum brakes, okay? Non-power. We'll hit them again once we...
Usually the first stop with the drum brakes is just
Yeah,
kinda
it
clear
wasn't
'em up.
bad though. It didn't pull bad. A little bit to the right.
Start up and go. 4-barrel sounds good. Nice shift.
4,200 RPM shift. It runs awesome, dog. 3,800 shift. Now we're in third, 80 mile an hour.
I like hearing those
Look at
4-barrels
this.
open up.
Huh? That's 90 right there. We're gonna slow her down. Here's your brakes. That's your drum brakes, dog.
They stopped. They
It's
didn't
not
stop
bad
at
at all.
drums, did they?
If a guy wants to update them to disc, feel free, but they work fine.
We got to this corner in a hurry in the old GTO running 90.
I hate to say that we were going 90, but kind of were.
Wouldn't lie to you.
Here's our Hurst shifter side.
Yep. Second gear scratch.
Scratch, that was a burn.
Second gear burn.
Man, that tranny shift's very smooth, and the whole time we're just going down the road perfectly.
Yeah, nice driving car.
Let's just go ahead and we're just going to go on our brakes nice and easy. Going down from 85. Here's your brakes.
Perfectly
Down
straight.
to 22, 10.
5, touchdown.
You like it?
I do.
I love it. Not only at first it was the color and the way it started, but man, I love the power. It's your typical GTO.
That's fun. Yeah, what a quality car.
This one won't last long, Dalton. We're going to price this one to sell. If you like the color, or if you've been looking for one this color, it's hard color to find. I mean, they didn't make a ton of them.
No, check it out on the site, coyoteclassics.com. I'll put a link down in the comments section of the video if you're watching on YouTube. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.